Hey, welcome back to Leah's Leaves. You're here for a seed haul video. My last online purchase of seeds for 2022. I'm here with my garden gnome, Holly. Holly is chilling out. She's been outside with me in the garden because it's a pretty day. It's in the low 60s, mild, partly cloudy, gentle breeze. Good day to get stuff done. So I was outside setting up my new hoses and finishing out the last of the raised beds that are built with planks and planter wall blocks. No tools required. It's a great technique. And now I'm inside checking my mail, baby. So come along with me and I'll show you what I got. Well, hold on while I do this one-handed. They really packed it in here. We'll start with Pinetree and then Baker Creek. Alrighty. Got some purple bok choy. I had purple lady bok choy. Hi, Holly. Oh, you're being camera shy. I had purple lady and I just used it up, so got more purple. Got Spigerello Lycia. This is it's like a type of broccoli that has broccoli tasting baby leaves and greens. So cut and come again method. Red cloud beets. That's a new type of beet I've never tried. Golden beets, just because I ran out, needed some more golden beets. A dwarf delphinium. I'm always looking for border plants and things that grow a little shorter for container gardening. So a dwarf delphinium looked good. Cherry Queen zinnia. I just saw a picture of it on their website and liked it. Sunflower Jolly Joker. I love colorful and bicolor sunflowers. Some more snapdragons. And these only grow about 1.5 feet. They're smaller than some varieties of snapdragons. Gazania. This is a new to me flower I've never grown. They remind me a little bit of the Gaillardia, the blanket flower. Or a really colorful daisy. Lemon Fizz Dianthus. Grows up to 2 feet tall. And it's just a really pretty color. Chives, because the chive seeds I had were old. And I planted them and nothing happened. But chives are an excellent companion plant for many things. And I cook with them a lot. So, and all the chives that I was growing in Virginia stayed in Virginia. Catgrass for the babies. I have 3 cats. They all love catgrass. So I'm going to grow a microgreens tray. Midnight Blue Status. I'm growing Status this year. And this Midnight Blue, I have a relative who's getting married in August, and the Midnight Blue color will go with the bouquets that I'm making. So I'm going to grow these, and hopefully, I'm going to start them now. They're supposed to start 6 to 8 weeks before the last frost. My last frost may have already taken place. The 10-day forecast from now through May 9th shows no frost or freeze in the forecast. But I'm going to go ahead and start them now and see what happens. Strawberry Fields Gomphrena, because I ran out. And this is one of my favorite flowers that I grew last year. I'm doing more with cut flowers and flowers like straw flowers and Gomphrena that can be dried and make dried arrangements. Honeybee Viola. These are a golden viola. Really pretty color. Sorbet Mix. This was more like pastel colors. So I love violas. In fact, I'm going to plant this sorbet mix today in a planter that has Korean spice viburnum in it. And I poked some tulip bulbs way down, because next year the viburnum will be another foot or 18 inches tall. And it'll be up above the pot. And so I can have those bulbs spring up in the spring. And they're not going to sprout this year. They'll sprout next year. So I'll plant some violas in the pot this year and have some flowers growing around the little baby viburnum. Okay, let's see what Baker Creek sent. All right, we start with some black pansies, Black King. They sent 2 packets. I must have hit a button. Oops. Oh well, lots of pansies. And these will also go, I'm gonna sow some now just because they're pretty, but I'm going to sow some later in the season. The wedding that I was talking about isn't until August, and I would like some of these to poke in as filler flowers in the bouquet. Indian coriander, because the last batch of Indian coriander I bought from Baker Creek came to me all smashed up, and we got very little germination. I seed swapped with someone, and they were crushed. I had to like pick through and just find halves and wholes, and neither of us got very good results. So I went ahead and bought another packet. Hopefully these are intact this time. Black carrot. I've just wanted to try these for a while. I love to grow carrots, so we'll try a new kind of carrot. Look at these Peruvian zinnias. They look like Mexican sunflowers a little bit, but in the zinnia family, beautiful color orange. I grew these because they're part of the wedding colors too. Same with this, Mandarin Orange Gomphrena. Plus, that's just a really pretty shade of orange for a Gomphrena. Orange Glow Watermelon. I've wanted some seeds like this for a while, and I've requested them in seed swaps and haven't gotten any so far, so I just broke down and paid the $3 and got some Orange Glow seeds for myself. These are replacement seeds for some I had swapped out and didn't keep any for myself. So, black futsu squash. And here's my free seed. I'm very excited about this. I've never gotten a tomato as a free seed from Baker Creek before, so that's cool. And B, I don't have this tomato, so it is a new to me variety, which I'm really happy about. Anyway, that's my last 2022 seed haul, y'all. The last seeds. Happy gardening. Learning a lot, sharing it here, and I hope you'll come grow with me. Holly? Holly? Hi. You gonna say hi? Not today.